Hey, how you doing today? So today I'm stripping the front bumper on the Monte. So I'm using this Rust-Oleum aircraft remover, and doing it outside. Good wind today, so I'm not worried about the fumes too much. Just put it on and give it a couple of minutes. I mean, I've already gotten like 3 layers off the front of this, so yeah, it's a lot of work and it's not much fun, but the rewards in the end will be great. So that's what I'm doing today, getting a little strip job and make it happen. Woo-hoo. So far I see white, green, red, black. I think the final color will be black or grayish, but yeah, it's a lot of layers. I think this has been painted a few times, but one layer at a time.